Nabha Sparsham Diptam. It means touch the sky with glory. The motto has been taken from the sacred Bhagavad Gita, chapter 11, verse 24. The primary objective or purpose of the Indian Air Force is to defend the nation and its airspace against air threats in coordination with Army and Navy. The secondary purpose is to assist civil power during natural calamities and internal disturbances. Every year, Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on October 8th. This year, India celebrated 88th Indian Air Force Day. The celebration of this day was officially started in the year 1932 to increase the awareness of the Indian Air Force in any organization of the national security, both officially and publicly. The first operational squadron came into being in April 1933. After participation in World War II, the Air Force in India came in to be called the Royal Indian Air Force in the mid-1940s. In 1950, after the Republic came into being, it became the Indian Air Force. For 6 officers and 19 Hawaii sepoys back in 1933, to round 1,70,000 personnel and 1,500 aircraft at present. Indian Air Force is the 4th largest air force in the world after the United States, Russia and China. The Indian Air Force mission expands beyond engagements with hostile forces, with the Indian Air Force participating in United Nations peacekeeping missions. Now, what are the events and traditions of Air Force Day? The main event comprises a parade by men and women air warriors. It also holds a ceremony where medals are pinned by the Chief of Air Staff on uniform of those who have been declared recipients. Every year, apart from being televised, the event is also attended by a large number of serving and retired brass, air warriors and their families and citizens. The day's celebrations also traditionally include an at-home reception hosted by the Chief of Air Staff, which is attended by the top leaders of the government and brass. The fly past consists of display of various fighter aircrafts, missiles and helicopters along with aerobatics display. Indian Air Force frontline warplanes like Rafale, Su-30 MKI, Apache, Tejas, Mirage 2000 along with transport aircraft take part in aerial display during Air Force Day parade. Apart from the importance of the day for the celebration of the history and traditions, a parade and fly past also have importance as a strategic signal. The immaculate parades and breathtaking displays are a strategic message to the citizens of the country, assuring that they are in a safe hands, and also to the enemies. It is a day to pay tribute to the countless sacrifices made by air warriors in not just in safeguarding the skies but also during disaster relief operations taken up till now and in the days to come. So here I will want to say some words for them. ज़मीन पर हमसे कोई युद्ध नहीं कर सकता, पानी में हमारे कोई दुश्मन तैर नहीं सकता, गगन शक्ति इस काबिल है हमारी, हिंदुस्तान के आसमान की ओर आँख उठा के कभी देख